Looking to nail your next clinical trial manager interview? Did you know that prepping with skill-based questions can make a huge difference in your interview performance? So, today we will be checking out the crucial skill-based questions you need to ace to secure that clinical trial manager position. If you are ready to take your career to next level, stay tuned. Are you prepared to tackle the toughest questions in your upcoming interviews? Let's get started with some that really matter. First up, let's talk about project management skills. As a clinical trial manager, you'll need to judge multiple trials simultaneously. So here's a common question you might face. How do you manage multiple clinical trials simultaneously? Well, your answer could be something like this. Managing multiple clinical trials requires excellent organizational skills and the ability to prioritize tasks effectively. I use project management tools like Microsoft Project or Asana to create detailed project plans and timelines. I also conduct regular team meetings to ensure everyone is on track and address any issues promptly. Additionally, I maintain clear communications with all stakeholders to keep them informed about the progress and any changes. Here's another one that often comes up. Can you describe a time when you had to deal with a project that was behind schedule? How do you handle it? Well, for example, you can say, in one of my previous roles, a clinical trial fell behind schedule due to delays in patients' recruitment. I first identified the root cause of the delay by analyzing recruitment data and conducting discussions with site coordinators. I then implemented a revised recruitment strategy which included additional recruitment resources and enhanced patient engagement activities. Also, regular process monitoring and close collaboration with the recruitment team helped us get back on track and meet our project deadlines. Next, let's move on to regulatory compliance. Staying on top of regulations is very important in clinical trials. Then, how do you ensure that a clinical trial complies with regulatory requirements? The answer is compliance with regulatory requirement is paramount in clinical trials. I stay updated on the latest regulations and guidelines from bodies like FDA, EMA, and ICH. I ensure that all trial documents, protocols, and procedures adhere to these regulations. Additionally, I conduct regular training sessions for the team to ensure they are aware of and understand the regulatory requirements. Periodic internal audits and compliance checks are also performed to identify and address any potential issues. Sounds simple, right? Now, let's tackle another question. Question number 4. Describe your experience with preparing for and managing regulatory inspections. Your answer can be something like this. I have extensive experience in preparing for and managing regulatory inspections. I start by ensuring that all trial documents is complete, accurate, and readily accessible. I also conduct mock inspections and training sessions with the team to prepare them for potential questions and scenarios. During the inspection, I facilitate smooth communication between the inspectors and the trial team, promptly addressing any concerns raised. After the inspection, I review the findings, if any, and implement corrective and preventive actions to ensure ongoing compliance. For further more questions, don't forget to grab a screenshot of your screen. And remember, all the questions are very important. These are just a few examples of the skill-based questions you might encounter in a clinical trial manager interview. Prepping for these skill-based questions can significantly increase your chances of landing that clinical trial manager position. After you are done with this video, you'll be ready to demonstrate your capabilities and land the job like it's the easiest thing you have ever done. Don't forget to check out LLRI's clinical trial manager interview questions for a deeper understanding. Best of luck with your interview prep and see you next time.